guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see from the title, come thrift with me. It's been a while. We are thrifting for a postpartum wardrobe. Y'all have heard me say it over and over again, how I wanted to change my style, how I wanted to start thrifting, how I wanted to just embrace my postpartum body. So in this video, I am taking you guys thrift shopping with me. Marcus was able to join some thrifting with me. At the end of the video what I got, and then stay tuned for how I styled it, y'all, because that is just gonna be a video within itself here. But if you're new here, I am your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale. I just had a baby almost 4 months ago, and I'm currently trying to style my postpartum body right now, and I don't want to spend a lot of money doing it, so I am thrifting my way through this journey. Okay, so stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave out, because don't be rude. Okay, we are still on the road to get 1,000 subscribers, so girl, monetize. Okay, yes, so come back, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come back. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. And look at these little feet that are dangling in the air if you see them. All right guys, let's go ahead and get in the video. All right, we are about to go into the thrift store. All right guys, we are about to go into the thrift store here. So fit check, TJ Maxx clearance, Ross, Tank, I don't know, Adidas from Nordstrom, new to the Lou, H&M, thrift store, and let's go thrifting, y'all. I wonder how much this is online. Can you see? This is the Julian bird, y'all. I look at my outfit. Is it cute? It's cute, right? Let me see the tag. Oh yeah, it's official. See how much it is online. Look.
I know how that.
Look and see how the material. It's like a almost like a, I don't know what kind of material this is.
Suede.
But it's cute though.
You can work it. You can wear it today.
Yeah. Look like this. Yeah, hold on, let me get these are really cute, y'all. These are cute. Let me see. Those are cute. What size are they?
6.
A 6. That's not. Marcus, you sure those are size 6? They don't look like a size 6.
6.
Let me see. It's a 6. Yeah, it is a 6. Those are barely worn right there. Get those blue ones right there. Let me see those blue ones. That heel look like it. Let me see. Marcus, take it now. Take it out, baby. Let me see. Can you see my butt if I go down? Like, is it short? Like, do I have to wear something under it?
Some leggings.
So these, some leggings? It's really short in the back. How it look?
It's long in the back, D.
You like it? It's cute.
Yeah, it works.
What I'm wearing this with?
Out on a date, baby.
I found one this color. The Zara has a skirt, like just like this. So this is like a dupe. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with this jean skirt that has been going around. Target has it, Zara has it. Everybody is into the jean skirt, and I was lucky enough to find a jean skirt here that is in my size currently, with a split, and I only paid $5 for it. This is the jean skirt that I purchased. I was so shocked that they had this in stock, because you know jean skirts are a thing right now. And when I seen this, I was like, oh my God, is it my size? It was. I think this is a size 12. No, it's a size 11. So this is the skirt here. I can't wait to style this. I have so many ideas of how I want to style this. So this is my first find here. And then I'm kind of like into button-ups here. So I did get me a polo button-up shirt. I think this was $6. Springtime here. I think this is like a slim fit. It's Ralph Lauren. And it is a slim fit here. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna pop up a picture of how I would style this. So yeah, when I was looking up like button-up shirts here, I felt like it was really good for me, especially since I'm in postpartum here, because it's something that is, you know, gonna give me that look that I want with covering up, you know, sometimes my belly or whatever. I don't want my belly to be seen, and I think that button-ups are really good for that because you can tuck them in, you can leave them out, you can have like a baggy look to it. That comes from my other shirt that I bought. These are all in the men's section. This is a Boohoo shirt, buckle up. I can kind of wear this with like a hat here, you know, some baggy pants with some sneakers. You know, I could dress it up if I wanted, and it's gonna fit big because it is in the men's section. And I love this one because it had like a pocket right here. Yeah, I can put my cards right here, you know, around, like, so I like this. You can put your cards in here and go on the go. And I like this color. It's navy. So cute, lightweight, so I can definitely wear this in the spring. It is a darker color too, so I can cover up a lot of things with the darker color, so keep that in mind. And then I purchased these H&M pants here. They're ripped here. I think this is a size 14. These are already too big for me. Yeah, these are a size 14. They're already too big for me, but that's okay because I can still wear them big. So I like the little rip effect here. I did purchase some more. It's like an American Eagle. They're like ripped all over, like ripped already, ripped. But I'm actually washing them currently, and I'm washing my pink skirt that I found as well. But you guys seen the pink skirt in the video already. But I'm washing some blue jeans. They're American Eagle, so I'll probably show you guys that on the when I style my clothes. So I'll probably show you guys on that one. But yeah, for the jeans, baggy jeans, so I feel like because this is like a size up and they're already too big, I like the way that they look on me right now. So that's a plus, and I feel like I can always wear baggy jeans in the future. So this was a good buy here. And then I have this white Zara shirt with the arms out. Now this would be really cute. I seen Kura, she posted some styles where it was like simple, classic, modern look, and I felt like I found this shirt right in time because I can definitely wear it with my next item, which is a black blazer. If I'm going for like a modern look here with some leggings and some tennis shoes, or I can style it up with some heels or some mules. And so you can do so much with like a plain white shirt here, and I like that. It's kind of like it has a little style to it that I really like the little ruffles here, so my stomach can have the breathing room that it needs here. So when I seen this, I was like, oh my god, I had just watched her video on how to style like simple items in your closet, and this came at the best time possible. This is a large here, so again, in my size. And then I have this blazer here. This is like a linen blazer that I purchased here. I've been looking for like a black blazer because I'm looking forward to wearing blazers more. Now again, this is like linen, so this is lightweight and I can wear this in the spring. And so I'm gonna try to thrift some colorful ones because I wanted to bring out the color and some of my outfits that I have. It's actually a size small, y'all. You can dress it up as well as wear like in a casual fit here. I'm trying to think what else. I did purchase a purse. Let me go get the purse, y'all. Hold on one second. Here is the purse that I purchased. It was just too good for me to leave it. This color, it's just beautiful. It's crossbody, the gold on it. It's so simple. And then this is how I've already worn this, y'all. It's so cute. So like, is this not cute, y'all? I love it. It's so cute. Cute. I purchased this and I purchased another bag. Y'all seen that in the video, but I had to air that thing out because it smelled like mothballs, and hopefully I can get that smell out. So it's outside like detoxing. But I couldn't let it go. I just couldn't let it go for $5. I had to get it. So those two purses. And then what else did I get, y'all? I'm trying to think, what else did I get just on that trip? I can't wait to get all my pieces together so I can show you guys. Like, your girl is coming back. I feel so great. Like, if I'm a firm believer, if you look good, you feel good. If you feel good, you look good. And I can't wait to get that, you know, all of it together. Like, it's giving what postpartum body. It's giving you're confident. It's giving, girl, walk. Let me see you walk. Yes. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave some comments in the comment section, y'all. I want to engage with y'all. I want to talk with y'all. I want to like know how y'all day been. Like, do you guys enjoy these type of videos? Like, do you thrift? Like, let me know. I'm trying to get to know you like you're trying to get to know me. Let's get to know each other. So leave it in the comments below what items you like, which items you can't wait for me to style, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next video.